Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get the Winter Mandarin Duck in Heartopia. So basically, I suggest you joining Bailey's bird watching event instead of initiating your own. I feel like it's easier, and if there's more people, the event will trigger the phase. Like it might trigger the phase, but it is better if there's more people that's joining the event. So do that. And basically, you'll be redirected to this lake over here, and you're just going to start bird watching. And yeah, that is it, really. Bailey's bird watching event is every day at 4 p.m. It could be different for your server, I don't know, but yeah, that is pretty much how you can get the Winter Mandarin Duck. I was really lagging because as soon as I arrived on the server, I couldn't record the phase change. So I'm sorry about that, but I did get a little bit on video. So yeah, that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. Also, pop as many bubbles as you can. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!